Hey everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful day. This is Cameron Tradukian with the Daily Developer Show, and what I want to talk about with you in today's video is LeetCode swag. What is it? How do we get it? Why do we want it? And so on. So I was on LinkedIn, browsing LinkedIn, and I saw this post by Pulkit. I'm not sure how to pronounce our friend's name, but he said, "The most expensive hat I have till now. I finally received a LeetCode hat and sticker after 1.5 years of consistency and hard work." And then he talks about he solved a bunch of problems. It took him over a year, and he's apparently in the top 7% of people on LeetCode. And you see he's got this cool hat. And if you're on LinkedIn or other social media where devs post, you'll see a lot of people post about this LeetCode swag from time to time. This person got the LeetCode hats. This guy got the LeetCode shirt and stickers, and another LeetCode shirt and stickers. And essentially, you'll see these posts, and sometimes they get a lot of likes. And it's essentially some people celebrating some achievement after they've solved a lot of LeetCode problems. Well, what are LeetCode problems? LeetCode, if you're not aware, is a data structures and algorithms website where you can practice solving different problems. And this is beneficial because many tech companies, when you interview with them, they'll ask you different questions like how to reverse a string in place, or how to validate the Sudoku tree, or something along those lines. And a lot of these problems are difficult to practice ahead of time. They're difficult to answer live if you haven't practiced them ahead of time, rather. So anyway, that's what LeetCode is. Here's Here's an example of the question list. Here's my profile. And if you go to your profile, you've got stuff like your contest rating, how many problems you've solved. But if we go here in the corner and we click our name, we click our avatar, you'll see that there's this points here. And if we click points, it'll take us here and we can see how many points we have. And points are what we use to buy the LeetCode swag in the store. So you see I have 835 points, or coins. People refer to these as different things, sometimes coins, sometimes points. But now if I go to the LeetCode store, you can see there's different things you can buy with your coins. Like you could buy the hat, you could buy the t-shirt, you could buy the free premium subscription. They've got some different options, and these are updated every once in a while. But how do we get these coins? Well, there's different ways to get coins on LeetCode. You can answer questions, you can add test cases. Another cool way to get coins is every week on LeetCode, they have a weekly contest. You'll see here they have a contest every week. This week's contest is at Saturday, 9:30 p.m. Central Time. And if you come to this page once a week, you can come here and get this luck, and this is 10 LeetCode coins. Congratulations, you just found 10 LeetCode coins. Happy LeetCoding. So now if I go here and I refresh the page, you'll see that now I've got 845. So I just got 10 free coins. And you can also get coins by just coming onto the website every day. You can get coins by participating in those weekly contests. And there's a number of other ways you can get coins too. This post on Reddit, they list out all the different ways you can get coins. And theoretically, it's possible to get around 7,000 coins a year if you are very, very, very disciplined and you've got a lot of time on your hands. But at the end of the day, what are we really on LeetCode for? Is it to get this swag? Of course not. There's no reason you're going to be working hard for a year or 2 years just to get a t-shirt. The objective value proposition of that is not so great. But the point of being on LeetCode is we want to get better at these data structures and algorithms, and we want to improve our coding skills, we want to improve our problem-solving skills so that we can get better jobs in the future and we can become better software engineers. So at the end of the day, these different pieces of swag are not the end-all be-all, but they're a fun little bonus on our journey of becoming better software engineers and improving our interview skills. So I will link this Reddit post in the comments and the description of this of this video. And I will see you again tomorrow in the next episode of the Daily Developer Show.